today we're gonna get some fast, good money. So first, you wanna get a small bag. But if you have money, you can get a big one.
We will be using the big one for this demonstration.
Yep. Broke or doesn't have enough research points, these two. And the flashlight. Then for the rich ones, got a pickaxe.
And a floaty light. And a grappler.
Yeah. And for the broke, you got torch.
And for the rich, you get an umbrella. That's all you. Wait.
Umbrella's optional.
Optional umbrella. You don't need a bag. But what we need the bag. You can do the demonstration with the bag. And
I will take the small bag.
so if you have an umbrella, just plop it on your head. No, don't. Oh, only one umbrella.
Oh yeah, you might want to get a few sticks because they break.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna take the pickaxe and this, but I got the small bag. So I'll show you how much money you get in the small bag.
The grappler is easier, but like we said, if you don't have the grappler, that's fine.
You might want to come down here. Oh, cool. And then the thingy here. Can't really get them, but yeah.
That's why you need. Well, it helps to have an umbrella.
My best advice is dropping down all the way to the bottom, unless you see research points.
Let's try. Oh, and gold is a really good way to get coins. What I started with 410. This one's up 410. And then you can collect the gold stuff as well if you want. That won't be unnecessary.
But thing is, before you go into here, you gotta watch out. There's a spider, so just climb up if you can.
And if you take
look the wall.
Bag of you can attack.
And sometimes you get nuts and stuff.
But you may even get money. And then as you go through here, you'll find more and more. Nice. These big ones take a bit more time. They're probably a guaranteed one. You get around 4 research points. If you're lucky. I got a shotgun. That was nice. That will protect me from anything. Don't do what I do. And then just do it on any layer. If you don't want to, go down to where the monsters are, go towards the monster. Better. I've got 4 research points. I don't think I should get any more. Do you want to get the one?
That's fine. You get those.
No, I've probably reached my max. Look, I no, I
That's my first one.
And then the further you go, the either it'll come to a dead end, Or
Oh, there's a spider.
oh Jesus,
Yeah, you might want to watch out for these because these are sneaky.
mimic.
And then,
Oh Jesus, that mimic's not. Oh I know, I killed the mimic. Didn't realise it would kill it. And this is optional, but you can go for like more stuff. I've just got a revolver, which is handy dandy. Good.
If you're not good at parkour, I'd say just go around the sides.
Or use a grappler.
Yeah. Basically, if you want to go around the sides, you want to jump from here and
Down to
here.
here, up here, try and go over here, and then you'll slowly get there.
And then you want to get the stick or something, and you want to like jump. It'll give you a bit more of a jump boost. You have the stick.
And here we have like one of this is one of the thingies you can go to. There's another one with lava in, but we won't be using that today. Feed properly, make you bigger. And then for what? What, demonstration? Alright. Come to mini. So, there you go. I got bigger. Then the item in my hand.
After eating, eat a whole, then you gotta eat more than one.
You have to eat two. And my buddy will show you what you do with all the scraps you've collected once you shrink.
Basically, you just want to put them in here, really.
Yeah, you dump all
put
the
them in
stuff
your
in
bag.
there, so with the stuff you don't need.
And then you just want to...
Hit these buttons right here.
Untamed.
Then you get money here. You'll get more than 81 or 82.
Yeah, just with the ores you'll get a lot of money. See, look, I
Yeah.
was at 410, now I'm at 440. And with 4 research points. Oh, there's Freddy in there.
No, I'm right here.
Okay, that's all from us. See ya.
And before you go, like and subscribe, or else I will send 10 nukes to your bloody house. Bye bye.